What is going on, dudes and foxy dudettes? Spring is here and I can't think of a better time to show you my new duds from Fioboc. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Chris. Welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. If you remember not too long ago, we did a video on Fioboc clothing. Fioboc is a company that stands for high quality. They want to offer men great quality basics at a low cost. They were so happy with the last video that I did that they partnered up again and they wanted me to show you some of the new things that they have out now. So we're gonna hop right into it. So the first thing I really want to show you is this very cool bomber jacket. Okay, it's probably my favorite piece out of all of it. The bomber jacket is made out of 90% nylon, 10% spandex, but the coolest part about it is, if you like this gray color, you're gonna love the black color because that's right, it's reversible. So you got two jackets for the price of one. Now what's cool is even on the black side, you still have access to the pockets. So you get pockets on either side. And I mean, we all have black bombers, right? So I really like this for the gray side. So we're gonna switch back real quick too. So what's cool about the gray side is you still got your pockets on the side here, but you got a cool little zip pocket over here that you can, you know, throw some change or your cell phone if it's that tiny. And it's got like a pen pocket. It's really versatile and you can store a lot of stuff in it. So what I like about this jacket is it's perfect for a springtime, right? During those spring nights, sometimes it gets a little cool and you need something that's gonna, you know, keep you warm enough. But you also want something that's, you know, gonna keep you cool enough during the spring days when it's a little bit warmer. This jacket is perfect for both. You know, it's heavier than a windbreaker, but it's not gonna make you sweat. It's just gonna keep you comfortable. And that's what we all want during the springtime, comfort. Next, we're gonna talk about a staple at Fioboc. They're classic Staycool 2.0 tees. These t-shirts are amazing. They have Pima cotton, bamboo fiber, and Serona. Serona is kind of like a modern take on polyester. Now, I went with the classic fit this time. If you remember last time, I went with the slim fit. I feel this just fits me a little bit better. If you guys have a little chunk on you, I do recommend that you go with the classic fit. And always remember, or at least for me, going with Fioboc, I had to size up one. So just got to keep that in mind. But these t-shirts are awesome. They keep you cool, but they're very fashionable. I love like the thick collar on these. It's a very premium feeling t-shirt. You can't go wrong with it. And I got them in a bunch of colors. So I also got a pair of their chinos, and I really want to show you those, but we're gonna have to go back indoors for that. So with the magic of video editing, we will be back indoors in 3, 2, 1. Now that we're back in the bunker, let's talk about these chinos. What I love about them is, like the t-shirt, they're moisture wicking, they're 4-way stretch, so even if you get them and you put on a little bit of weight, they're still gonna fit you. And even around the waist, they've got this really cool elastic stretch part of your waistband. Now, that means in my testing that you're gonna have to wear a belt with these, unfortunately, but still, that's a pretty cool feature to have. They're smooth to the touch, so that butter-like touch that like what the t-shirts have. Some secure storage. They have a cool little pocket. It's very hidden. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can just fit some loose cash or maybe your cell phone in there and then zip it up and you can go about your day knowing that your stuff is safe. The pockets in these are really deep as well. And just in case I forgot to mention, the materials that these are made out of is Pima cotton, Tencel, a little bit of polyester, and spandex. They are a slim fit and they do come in an ocean blue color if black is not your thing, but you guys know me. You guys know I love the black clothes. So these are amazing. Like I said, the only thing I would say is you do need to wear a belt with these because of this feature of this elastic waistband, but again, can't go wrong with it. And what's cool, if you're wondering how to take care of them, how to wash them, just wash them cold. You can tumble dry if you want to, but I would let it air dry. But the beautiful thing about the Fioboc clothes is they're not going to lose their color, they're not going to lose their shape, they're wrinkle free. This PBS fabric in in the Staycool 2.0 tee is amazing. It took them like a year to come up with this technology, and it's awesome. The PBS fabric stands for the Pima cotton, the bamboo fiber, and the Serona fiber like we talked about earlier. But yeah, the colors are not gonna fade. There's over 20 colors that you can choose from. Sizes from like small to 5X. There's something for everybody. You're gonna be able to find what you want, and it comes in a variety of like crew necks like this one or a V-neck. And the good thing to know is through repeated washing, it's gonna last. And that's what's important, is that you're investing in something that's gonna last for a very long time. Plus it's wrinkle free. I love wrinkle free stuff. All right guys, if you want your own Staycool tee, the best comfortable t-shirt, or any of the stuff that you've seen here, you know, the bomber jacket or the chinos or any of the stuff you've seen even from the last video, be sure to use the link that's down in the description and use our discount code TWRD20 to save 20%. I know you won't be disappointed. I love this stuff. It's quickly become my favorite clothing company. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm, ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% on our merch page. And the website is really the hub of what we do here. You can find links to old videos. You can find the link to our Amazon store where there's curated items that I think will help you out in your everyday life. The website also has the 5 most recent episodes of our podcast. It also has some exclusive brand offers and deals like from Fioboc. So check those out, and we will see you next time. Take care. Peace.